guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you beautiful recipe for great summer dessert, which is vanilla panna cotta with raspberry mousse. It is a great dessert for all hot summer days. It tastes very similar to vanilla ice cream with fruits. So if you want to see how to make it at home, watch the rest of the video. To start with, we need to bloom the gelatin. It will be so much easier to dissolve later on. You just soak it in water and set aside to bloom. And then we prepare the forms for the glasses. So first of all, I'm using muffin tin with some small support underneath, so the glass can be supported and stay at an angle. That's how we will be pouring the panna cotta, so it is at a beautiful angle afterwards. So when the tin is ready, we can prepare the panna cotta. We take a deep pan, we put our milk and cream inside. We add a little bit of vanilla and sugar. For this amount of liquid, I usually use between 2 and 2.5 spoons of sugar. Then we need to mix it well until all the sugar dissolves. If you're new to my channel, welcome guys. I post new videos with cakes, desserts, dinner ideas as well as snacks every week, so make sure you subscribe and push the notification bell so you don't miss any new recipes in the future. And right now, back to our panna cotta. When the sugar dissolves and the liquid is very hot boiling, we take it out of the heat and we put more or less 2/3 of the prepared gelatin inside. The rest of the gelatin I will be using for the fruit mousse later on. So we don't have to heat it any longer. We just mix very well until all the gelatin dissolves. It will dissolve very quickly because we bloomed it beforehand. When the gelatin dissolves, we can pour our panna cotta liquid into our prepared glasses. When they are heavy with the liquid, they will not move any longer, so you don't have to worry that they will change the position. They will stay in the position we put them in. If you don't know how much liquid will get into each glass, you can do it step by step and then just add gradually, so all of the glasses are filled in evenly. When it's ready, very slowly you move it into the fridge for around 4 to 5 hours to set. And when our panna cottas are almost set, we can prepare the mousse. I'm using half frozen fruits, half fresh ones. I'm using mostly raspberries with a couple of strawberries as well as blackberries. I'm using blackberries mainly because of the color. I want to add a little bit of darker color to my mousse, so in the end it will be rich, beautiful red. It's up to you. You don't have to use blackberries if you don't like them, but you don't really feel the taste of them that much in the mousse later on. So we then add a little bit of sugar, and also I'm using a little bit of liquid, just normal water, to start it going when I liquidize it. I'm using the NutriBullet to liquidize the mousse, but you can use any blender of your choice, and that's how it looks like when it's ready. It has absolutely great, beautiful, dark, rich red color. I just love the color of it. It's so tasty looking straight away. And right now, time for gelatin. You just take a little bit of hot water. You don't need much. You don't want to really dissolve the taste of the mousse, so that's why you just add a little bit of water. You put the gelatin in, you dissolve it very quickly, and then you add it to the mousse. You stir it until all the gelatin is well combined, and that's it. That's how the panna cotta glasses look like. They still have a little bit of a mist from the fridge. How you pour the mousse into the glasses, I always use spoon because I don't want to color the white panna cotta above the line where the mousse will end. That's why I use a spoon. It is really, really easy to do so. As you can see, you can also add it step by step if you don't know how much mousse will go into each glass. So all the glasses are more or less evenly filled with the mousse. When it is ready, that's how it looks like. You can put it into the fridge for around 2 to 3 hours, but it will set very quickly because the fruits were very cold. This is how it looks like when it's ready. I prefer my panna cotta to go with a fruit mousse. That's why I use only a little bit of a gelatin, so it firms just tiny bit, but it's still quite liquid. If you want it to be a jelly, you just need to use a little bit more of a gelatin and it will turn into proper jelly. You just decorate the ready dessert with a little bit of fruits. I'm using the same fruits I used for the mousse with addition of some blueberries and mint just for color. And that's it. The dessert is ready. It tastes beautifully. The cold panna cotta, which tastes a little bit like a vanilla ice cream with the strawberry and raspberry mousse, is just so good. You have to try this. I know everybody fall in love with panna cotta when they try it at least once. So this is how I like to present my dessert. It is really, really beautiful. It looks nice. It tastes wonderful. And it's so good for any hot summer days. Just delightful, believe me. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you like the videos, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any future recipes from me. Thank you very much for today and see you next time.